Hi guys, my name is Sven and I'm standing next to our newly installed laser cleaning system. Are you noticing a gradual decrease in the volume of your Anilox rollers? Your rollers regularly come in contact with inks, cleaning agents, water and all kinds of chemical substances. As a result, the cells of your Anilox roller can become clogged, which reduces the volume of the cells. Therefore, regular deep cleaning of your rollers is vital to ensure high quality print results. This is how the cleaning process looks like in fast motion. Here, the laser beam hits the surface and removes all traces of ink and lacquer on your Anilox rollers. You can easily see the roller turning clean again, just as a new one. Let me explain how it works. When the laser beam hits the surface, the absorption of laser radiation briefly expands the dirt in the cell. Part of the ink evaporates due to the high energy of the laser beam. This quick change of physical state causes the thermomechanical effect to take place. A shock wave is generated and breaks the adhesion between the ink and the ceramic surface so that the ink residues are ejected. The microscopic image confirms that our laser cleaning method leaves the bottom of each cell as clean and spotless as those of a brand new roller. To prove to you the outstanding results of our laser cleaning, we always measure the cell volume and depth of your Anilox roller before and after the cleaning process. Along with your roller, you then receive a cleaning report which confirms the increased ink transfer after the cleaning procedure. You want to print in great quality and not worry about decreasing performance? Treat your Anilox roller with laser cleaning at least twice a year. To get a quotation of our laser cleaning service, contact our international sales team and ensure that your rollers perform at their best.